I just want to see how it looks.
All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 008132. State versus Denise Luhan. Could I have parties announced? For the defendant.
Anthony Cantrell for the defendant.
And are you Miss Luhan?
Anthony Cantrell.
We heard you. Thank you.
Okay.
Counsel, have you received all discovery?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. And did you review it with your client?
I did, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Luhan, did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney?
Yes, I did.
Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, sir.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are not, Your Honor. We're proceeding on the lesser included misdemeanor offense of assault causes bodily injury to family members.
Any objection?
No objections, Your Honor.
Did you review the court's admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
All right, the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of assault causing bodily injury to a family member as a Class A misdemeanor. Range of punishment is up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail and up to a $4,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? If the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail and up to a $4,000 fine. Do you understand? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Luhan, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea, the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense. They're asking that your fine be set at $1,500. They're recommending deferred adjudication. There's a further finding of family violence. There's to be no contact. Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition? Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to be designated a primary custodial parent? Did you understand that to be your plea? Defense, is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places? By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Counsel, are there any such motions?
Have not been ruled upon. No, Your Honor.
All right, outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 2 years, that there be 100 hours of community service restitution, the BIPP course, TAP evaluation, follow all recommendations, the MIC evaluation, and follow recommendations of the MIC evaluations. Did you understand that those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations? Thank you, Rick. All right, then to the lesser included offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State, any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. This time, state officer evidence states exhibit 1 of all time.
Any objections?
No objections.
And state you
No
spoke.
objections.
Thank you. And state you've spoken with the complainant? All right, state you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses, the state will call in the right to remain silent.
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, I do.
All right, court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding of guilt as you apply for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, we'd ask the court to follow the plea agreement.
All right, so in the police report, they say there may be other issues going on with you, mental health issues, homelessness. So are you currently have a home?
I do.
All right. Did you have a home at the time of this incident? All right. So in the police report, it says that you did not.
It's all enough.
All right. So do you have any children?
They're older. Yes, I do too.
Are they living with you?
No,
Who do they live with?
they live with Diane.
Okay. So has Child Protective Services ever been involved in your life?
I've always helped them.
So is there a reason your children are not with you? And I'm asking these questions because I'm trying to figure out what would be appropriate.
No, I
Conditions.
understand. Only because when I sold my home, it was during COVID around that time, and my son he was being homeschooled because where we were going, he was getting bullied a lot.
Mhm.
So when I sold my home and with a friend of mine, and he wanted to go to the school that in my mom's area, so
Mhm.
that's why we ended up going over there and staying with her to finish school there.
All right. So what do you do for a living?
Actually, I'm self-employed, so I clean Airbnbs,
Okay.
and I've been doing that for about 8 years.
Okay. And have you ever had any type of diagnosis?
Yeah.
Right. And are there any issues, unresolved issues between you and the family members who are involved in this?
Just some talk. My mother's been very, she wasn't a good mother, so I try to stay my distance from them, but it's like whenever I stay my distance from them, she just makes it harder for me and my kids, because my kids are over there and she starts doing things in their head.
Okay. Well, I will tell you, I do not have the authority
Yeah.
for you all to do family counseling, but that's probably something maybe a third party can suggest, because you're not allowed to have contact with her. And if there's some sort of custody exchanges between you
Mhm.
and your family members, you'll have to do that through a third party.
Yeah, I understand.
All right, so state, if there are some issues with that, I am going to allow contact through the parenting app.
There's her children.
Yeah, they're adults.
Oh, well, she said they live there. Okay.
Yeah.
Your children, well, you can't have any contact with them.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. All right, so this is what the court is going to do. 2 years deferred adjudication, affirmative finding of family violence. There is to be no BIPP course, TAP evaluation, and a MIC evaluation. Those can be done out of custody, follow recommendations, field visits 1 time per month until further notice, proof of employment within 30 days, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors.
Okay.
And with regards, let's see, the 100 hours of community service restitution, I'm going to order anger management with the 100 hours of community service restitution, once she completes the BIPP course, that will be deemed satisfied. Yes.
So my son lives there, he's 20, I, like, while he's there at the home, can I still be in contact with him, because he lives with my mom, I just
I mean,
don't
you
want.
can talk to him.
Yeah.
That doesn't involve his contact order, but what I can tell you is you're not allowed to go to that location. You're not allowed to have any contact with the two people that I've named. So that would be something on his own. So if they have a landline, you can't call that landline because they may answer. Now, if your son has his own cell phone and you want to call that cell phone, you can.
Okay.
But other than that, no.
Understood.
Probation, is there anything else that's needed?
No, Judge.
Is there anything else that you need from the court to be successful? All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
I understand.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. Sometimes people just don't get along with family members. You can't choose who your family is. At some point in time, maybe when you're off this probation, maybe some third party will try to get everybody to sit down in therapy. But until now, you cannot have any contact, okay? All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.